Hey, you guys like my pocket knife? It's what my dad gave me. So it's got 2 ends on each side. It's handmade. Here, I'll show you. Okay, you can't see me from that angle, can you? I'll just show you from above, okay? See? It's got 2 blades on each side. That one looks like pretty exotic. And just keep staying. In this video, I gotta put it blades up. Okay. So yeah, that's my pocket knife. Hello, Reach. Yeah. My friend's getting it. Well, he's not really my friend. He kept yelling at me. And yeah. Pretty lame. Bye. See you guys.